it says there. What it says there. I don't know what it says there.
And we got a retarded conversation going on right now. And it's time for shot 76 of the night.
Nigga said 76.
We've been sipping on this shit hard.
69,
How much Jaeger's left? Only like 2 more shots probably.
Yeah.
Right there, it's like right there, like right there. 2 more shots, right there.
2 or 9. One for each nigga.
We got
For my bad, nigga.
Nah, there's still 2 shots everybody in there.
Yeah, this is a good number.
2? Nah, I think that's enough for 2.
Shut up, nigga. Anyways, we're actually taking a Jaeger shot regular, and then next one. Jaeger bomb. The last one is the car bomb.
Woo!
Yeah,
fucked up.
Got a problem last.
We're pretty already late, but you know,
After this shot, I'm down to suck a nigga dick.
whoa! I'm
down for that.
Hey, I am down for that.
I'm just gonna cheer.
Not a fact, nigga.
You don't have to agree. You don't have to agree.
You can lick the balls.
Whoa!
I usually like.
Y'all taking too long? Fuck y'all, nigga.
Oh, Prince, we have a whoop.
Why did he drink the Red Bull?
Whoa, nigga, drink this shit without us, little bitch.
It took too long, son. Wow, what a cock. Wait, hold on. Get that nigga. Get a
No,
kick.
his earring flew off. Stop. I saw the earring fly off.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that peak. Look at that right there.
Alright.
Nigga's earring flew off. Come and stop. And take a shot and then beat him up. Take a shot and then beat him up.
Hold up.
Us three, because this nigga's a cock.
1,
I'm nervous, guys. I'm nervous.
3,
No.
Oh my god, Jaeger, you the best!
All I hear is chugging.
Oh man.
I'm okay, guys. I'm okay.
Oh man. Oh, my chest is burning. Oh, but I love it. Jaeger, you're almost done. How much you got there? Oh, we only got like about 1 more round left. We all pretty good. Let me get taking some Pepsi out of that, cause that shit is no joke. That Jägermeister, you German motherfuckers. Where is it said that? What? Geek wie rich up gunghart bin schiffer. I don't know what the fuck he said, but that must mean, nigga, you gonna get fucked up, nigga. Oh man.
I'm passing out.
We are fucking alcoholics and we don't deny it. We're fucking alcoholics. Y'all niggas gonna get raped.